Hey guys, welcome back. Today we clean this room a little bit. That's the water maker. We're gonna put it in sometimes. We're gonna find somebody that can do the electricity and the plumbing. I clean up a little bit around. But what I'm working on right now is the furler. You remember that after the Hurricane Maria, the furler was all bent and everything was broken in the front. So let me show you how it looks now. Put the lifelines on. Netting for the doggies. And this is the furler right here. See? Put it on. And I hope it works. You see, it's still all messed up from the hurricane right here. And so now I need to tie up all the cables in the back and the side. And hopefully we have a working furler so we can go sailing soon. Look at the lines. Look at the cables of the rigging. Look, they all loose. That's crazy. I know. So that's what we're working on right now. You know, all this stuff in front of here was destroyed. This whole part was destroyed. And little by little, I started saving. And, you know, we've been doing extra work on movies to get the money to fix this, which is not much. An extra pay you maybe $100 for 12 hours, but hey, it got me enough to buy some of the things I need. So let's get to working. Look at this rigging. Look at that rigging. Look at the dancing rigging. Hey, dancing, let's dance. All right, I'm doing the back rigging right now, and I did this. Look, I'm holding the window right here with two grommets on the canvas, so we don't have to mess it up. We just put it in there and don't have to worry about rolling it up and messing up the plastic. That's always good, right? Okay, I'm gonna tie up this rigging right now. It's really loose. What's up? It's a fishing man. Got a battered one. Cut my finger open. Well guys, I tried to tie it up the rigging as hard as I could. I don't know how hard they need to go. Let me put this right, okay? So, you know, they're not swinging like they were earlier. This one needs a little bit more tight. I'm gonna try to, you know, I tied up the jib halyard to this thing. I'm gonna see if it goes all the way up, because the problem we had before was one of these aluminum foil was bent and it was really hard to bring this up. So, but I see something over there. This is trouble. I see one of the tubes is bent. Jesus Christ. I hope it works, really, because I don't feel like putting this stuff back down and loosen all the cables again. That would suck if it doesn't go up. Okay, well, let's see. Let's meet with you guys right here in the front seat. All right, guys. So I'm really stupid. I did something really dumb. I sent the thing all the way up the jib further, but now I didn't connect a rope to bring it back down, so it's stuck up there. Oh my God, I can't believe I did that. Look, it's up all the way up there. Up there. So now I can bring it back down. Oh my God. That was really dumb. So we're gonna have to go up the mast and connect a rope to it and bring it down. But I can't go up the mast by myself, so I have to wait for my girlfriend. All right. Shit, man. What I was thinking, doggy style. Shit. Well, this is the thing that happens when you are a newbie on boating, sailboating, or yachting. All right. It's all the rope right here. I'm disappointed at myself. So guys, after I put some silicone in these windows, I'm gonna stop the leaking. So I'm gonna put tape around it, and hopefully that will work and stop the water from coming in. Silicone I put in there, right there. Yeah. So I'm gonna put tape around this corner, because somewhere in this area the water is coming in. So with tape, there's no water in there. Now we're gonna put it black tape so it looks cool. Cheers. So this is how it looks with plastic tape around. It looks better with the blue tape, and it's not gonna get wet, and all the black tape is gonna last long, but hey, it's not gonna be wet inside. There's gonna be no rain inside, and that's what matters, because when it get wet inside, my girlfriend freak out, and she sometimes it's hard to take her grumpiness. So now, no rain, happy girlfriend, right? Are you excited that Mommy's coming in today? Mama's coming today, baby. Mommy's coming today. Hey, Mommy's coming today. Guys, we're gonna go get Mommy at the airport. Huh, Lani? We're gonna go get Mommy at the airport. Huh? Yes? 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 Yeah? They're so excited because Mommy's coming today. Baby, no. Ay, ese perrito. Okay, you wanna go get Mommy? You wanna go get Mommy? Yes. You wanna go get Mommy? You wanna go get Mommy? Yes, baby. Huh? Baby, Lana, you wanna go get Mommy at the airport? Yes. You happy, baby? Are you happy she's coming? Yes. Okay. Hey guys. Hey, Bailey. Lana. Smelling everything. Hey, are you excited that Mommy's coming? Here we go. No. No, Bailey, stop smelling. Come on. Hey, this way, Lani. Vamos. Dame, está lleno aquí. No, Bailey. Where's Mama? Huh? Where's Mama, Bailey? Where's Mama? She's coming, Bailey. She's coming. Not yet. But she's coming. Come on, this way. No, baby, what are you doing? ¿Qué es eso? Luis, where's mommy? Where's mommy? ¿Dónde está mamá? ¿Dónde está mamá? No, no, para ahí no está, mira, mira. ¡Ay, ay, 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 ay! Venga, 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 venga. ¡Ay, ay, 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 ay! ¡Ay, ay, 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 ay! Oh, my God. Oh. Sí. Hi.
Hi! Oh my goodness! Hi, babies!
Grab her, baby. She wants you to
Hi,
grab her.
okay, here. Okay.
Oh, mommy's bag. Mommy's bag. Mommy's bag. Oh, kisses, 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 kisses. Kisses, kisses, kisses.
I'm here, Bailey. Look at Bailey. Look, Lana's
Lana.
looking for treats. Lana!
Yay.
Hi. Bailey, I'm here. Hi.
So happy to see you, mommy.
Okay.
Oh.
Hi. Look at Bailey.
Yeah, she said she missed you. She missed you. Lana missed you too.
Okay.
Lana, give her mommy kisses.
Get up. Okay.
Okay, Bailey, this way. Come on.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, no. How are you? How was your flight? Come on. Oh, Bailey, you happy?
Okay.
You happy, Bailey?
Hi.
Bailey, look at those kisses. Hi. Bailey, you happy to see mommy? Yes.
Hi.
And now you need to kiss Lana.
Lana looks so different.
Yeah, Lana.
Lani.
Say hi to Lani.
Hi, movies. Man.
We need to shave her. I'm going to take them on Monday. They need to get a haircut now.
Yes, they do. Hi, baby. She knows me. Look at her.
Yeah.
Like, oh my God, my mommy. Hey, baby.
She
it's
was
me.
excited.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Vamos, let's go. Vamos. Venga, por acá, Lani. Sorry.